Hi, this is Dan, and I'm coming to you from Nashville, Tennessee. If you're seeing this video, likely I have sent you my digital business card right directly to your phone. So there are two things that I would recommend you do to get started. And the first one is to save a bookmark in your uh, browser for the spot where this digital business card is coming to you so that you can easily find it again and pull it up whenever you want. The second thing is that you should click on the V card link on the lower row of icons so that you can save all that contact information into your contacts. That way, when you want to phone me or text me, email me, you'll have all that information right in your contacts where you expect it to be. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you on the other side.